in this mind of mine that I just want to get out. Like, dry. And look, it's so cute. Yeah. And I got a new, what is this plant called? Tropical Foliage. Yeah, so I got that. I got some cute little things that I'm gonna plant it in. I got this one for $3, and I'm gonna put soil and plant it in this one. And I got, they're cactus plants, guys. So what I did, another something. How much I paid for this? I paid $2 for this at Marshall's. It is a Rachel Zoe. I don't know what normally was in this, but Plantz is going in it now. So this is gonna go in it. And those are my new plants. A little backstory. I got these plants at Home Depot, and I'm not gonna do it. Oh no. I'm not, like I said, I'm not gonna purchase any more plants at Home Depot simply because they're not healthy. They're not being well taken care of, and kind of sucks. There you go. Water propagation right then and there. Yeah, they're not being well kept. And I went to, they also had a fiddle leaf fig for an amazing price. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna buy it. Then I looked inside with the soil, and there was bugs in it. So I got scared, and when I came home with this, I'm like, oh my god, is there bugs in it? So I left it out for a couple of days to see if anything would come out, but nothing came out. So there's no bugs in this one, but there was definitely bugs in the fiddle leaf fig. And they had a whole bunch of brown, they had a whole bunch of like spots like this on the fiddle leaf fig. So, and I don't know, that was just kind of upsetting. But this is a new plant that I'm gonna be taking care of. It reminds me of the rubber thing plant. I'm gonna pot this. I don't know if you want to see me pot this. Yeah, I'm gonna go pot this. So here I go. I'm gonna, a few stones, nothing crazy. That boy's annoying.
So, and then I was telling my homegirl was like, I've had it with him. When you want me to come over? I'm like, he's not that important.
Yeah, he's annoying.
He's not that important. The more I give him,